Here you can see a low cost 2.1 amplifier from Alienz Audios. That is my own product, Alienz Audios, and this is the 10-inch subwoofer that I'm using with this. That's the one in 2.1, and it's a subwoofer from Alienz, an Indian brand Alienz, and it's 160 watts RMS at 4 ohms. And these speakers are of 3-way, fully custom designed. Here it's a 6-inch driver with a mid-range 4-inch mid-range driver and a piezo electric tweeter. 12 dB crossover included. Total watts per channel is 80 watts plus subwoofer 160, total 360 RMS. And the main feature or the main thing that to be highlighted is the cost. It's around 15 to 20,000. It's between 15 to 20,000. That's the minimum price required to build such a low cost amplifier, so low cost audio system, complete audio system. Now the amplifier is built around a cabinet that is G-Tech Audios. G-Tech Audios is also an Indian brand, and I used their own customized panel that they produce such default panels to make amplifier here. So I used this for 2.1. There are also 5.1 digital amp panels available from their brand. This is completely a manual amplifier with a built-in Bluetooth USB panel that can be included inside here, and you can, if you need, you can include a view meter, LED view meter here. There is a space there, so I'm not using a view meter with this, so I just blocked that space because there's a backlight included, that blue ring light that glow around these controls. So I need to block that, or else it will be flashing through that space. So that's been blocked. These buttons are default with all these amplifier panels. So if we are not using, you can just fix it to fill that hole. And here is the master control. There's the subwoofer control and 2 mic input sockets, a volume control, manual volume control for left and right channels, a treble control and a bass control. The back panel includes just 3 speaker outputs, left, right and subwoofer, and 2 RCA input. Just to make it low cost, I just used the requirements only to achieve what the customer need. The customer asked me, can you build such an amplifier at this price, at around this particular price? So I just tried, and that was a success. But in future I'm not gonna build such a low cost amplifier because it's budget friendly for the customer only, not for me. I'll be struggling to reach the result, to get the result from such an amount, and you know what I mean. So that's the problem with such low cost amplifier, while we used to build each and every areas of this amplifier, of such audio systems. Not only such audio systems, if we are building anything at low cost, the one who used to design, engineer or do something behind the scene, he must be, or they must be struggling a lot. The customer is free, just free of all the risk. He just need to pay that fixed amount. So that's the problem while working under working inside that regulated price, that fixed price. That's not a good idea for anyone. So that's the way. In previous videos I have published certain 2.1s and 5.1s that they are almost costly. They go above 30,000 rupees full system with speakers. Starting price 30,000, 27 to 28,000 and above. So this is around 15,000, I think. It must be 16,500 or 17,000 total cost including my fees, including my charge, including my service charge. So that's all for the So for the explanation and description, let's check the output, how they produce the bass. So the power on button is here. It's silent, really silent, no noise, no humming, no hissing, nothing, clean. So I recommend an audio system must be, if you're really building it by yourself, it should be silent, dead silent. Now I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth from this phone and check an NCS music. It's so horrible to listen to NCS music, but still they are the only way that we can use any music on YouTube. I'm selecting the popular videos and this one. Let me check which song is this. Here I am not using the subwoofer right now. I'm reducing the bass and treble, just the volume. The master is at full. Let me select another music. Let's try this. Why we lose?
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side.
Listen to the bass. They are from these two speakers. I have not given the sub.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a
So how's the performance? I need the result from you all. I hope you will comment below. So the board circuits used the 4 transistor mono board I have used for subwoofer. That board is from brand Shakti Audios, and there is a subwoofer filter included, that's from RBL Plus. That's also an Indian brand. And for left and right stereo, I have used VI Audio bed type stereo board that I have reviewed in the previous video. You can watch it. I will give the link in the I button. And circuit functions at 27 volt transformer, so the output must be around 30 something. And I have used Keltron capacitors, 4 Keltron capacitors as filter, and a G-Star Bluetooth amplifier module for the source as the source. That features USB, aux, SD card, FM, Bluetooth all in one. And the mic also is functioning with the USB Bluetooth panel, and we have the control of the mic and EQ, all the functions included in this remote control. By pressing 3 times you can select the mic echo, and 4 times you can select the mic volume. And the first and second EQ button is the bass and treble control, tone control built inside this USB panel. So they are the features, these 2.1 amp features. If you are interested in more detailed video like about such amplifiers or how to build, how I design, how I plan to make an amplifier inside a budget. If you are interested in such matter, such queries, you can directly comment below, so I can do more detailed video about around those queries. So I need to know more about what else are your suggestions about these low cost amplifier, your low cost audio system, and to make it look nice inside that budget is so hard to work. That's what I heard. That was what I told you at the beginning of the video. Comment below if you like the product or what is your suggestion that I can include in next video or next product that I am gonna build. So if you like the product, or if you like something, if you find something new or useful or interesting, please hit the like button. Subscribe to watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, there's another song.